In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can remove your background from your picture just by using Canva. Okay, so this will be quick tutorial, step by step, easy. Let's get started. So what you will do, you will go to your Canva homepage like this, okay, and you should see over here upload. Click on upload, click on choose file, and you need to upload the picture that you want to remove the background from. Okay, I'm gonna upload the picture from my laptop. So I want to remove a background from this picture. I will click on open, okay, and what you will do next, you will click over here on use in new design, okay, like this. And what you will do, you will choose the size of your picture. So for example, if you want to use this picture for Facebook, you can choose Facebook post size. For Facebook cover, choose this size. For Instagram story, choose this size. For Instagram post, choose this size, and so on. Okay, I'm gonna just click on Facebook post and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on your picture. So click on your picture, click on edit image, and scroll down. You should see over here background remover. Okay, click on background remover and your background will be removed. Okay, as you can see, and here you go, your background picture will be removed. That's how you can remove background from picture in Canva just in few minutes. Okay, after you finish, click on share and click on download, and this picture will be downloaded to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.